Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about CDAC Recruitment 2021. If you want to read about the recruitment details, you can check the link which is provided in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for CDAC Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Our website will give you all of the information as well as the links to apply directly. All of this at one place in Freshers Now website. Don't forget to join us through Telegram and get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box. Center for Development for Advanced Computing has opened its vacancies for various departments. First thing is you have to know about the application procedure. The first instruction is to read all of the general terms and conditions. Second is to know the eligibility parameters of the post and provide a valid email ID and mobile number because it will be useful for further references. And next, click on Apply button. Read all of the instructions, attach all your relevant documents and then apply. Next, fill in all the details. After applying, note that your application form should be neat and legible without any errors. After that, click on the submit button. Read the instructions when you are applying when you're scanning the photograph and then applying. It should not be more than 300 KB and note that you should download your personal particular form. Attach all the relevant documents, send it in a PDF format. Your application number will be generated and it will be useful for further references. And at the time of the written test or interview, you should make sure that all of these documents which I have just mentioned are ready. So all of these documents with your application form and the relevant education, qualification, experience, ID proofs, all of the documents should be in original and that should be submitted or should be taken to the written test or the interview. Next, there is no need to send in hard copies or any of that sort. You should apply to only one post. If you are applying for more than one post, you will be disqualified and the responsibility is on the candidates itself to read all the instructions and then proceed to apply. Candidate whoever is already working, note that you have to submit no objection certificate itself. Those who are forwarding with your application, please follow a proper channel. Read the official website details which is provided because all the instructions and terms and conditions are given in the official website along with any of the updates or latest information. Next is the closing date for the application is 5th of October 2021. The details or the dates are given very clearly in the official website. Commencement of online registration will start from 17th of September. Last date is on 5th of October and for the written test and interview, the communications will be intimated very shortly. And that is going to be done, the communication will be done through email. Give valid email IDs. Next is terms and conditions. Reservation will be applicable according to the norms of Government of India. And next is the names of the post. Project manager, you have one vacancy belonging to UR category. Project engineer has 36. Category wise division is being made. Project associate has one belonging to UR category. Age limit and relaxation is given for 5 years for reservation category candidates. Calculation of age and experience will be based on 5th of October 2021. Applicants who meet the eligibility criteria only will be shortlisted for written test and interview. Others will be disqualified. Qualification and experience should match to the minimum requirements which are given. Management reserves has the right to increase and decrease these particular vacancies according to the requirement of the organization. All the qualifying candidates should make sure the candidate should have done your regular courses, part-time correspondence, or if you're doing your final years, waiting for your results, all of these candidates are not eligible to apply. If you have passed out, if you are having a graduation degree carrying minimum percentages of marks, with the recognition of UGC or AICTE, only then you are eligible to apply. Next, your call letters and in regards to the written test or the interview will be intimated through email and will be shortly communicated. So, timely check your email ID and official website for updates. You have to pay the application fees of ₹100. Reservation category candidates need not pay any sort of application fees and you have to submit the relevant reservation caste certificate which should be an authorized one. Only then you will be applicable for this relaxation of the fees. Canvassing or duplication of the documents will lead you to the disqualification. And next details, interview call letters will be according to the procedure of the selection of the post. And if you have any other queries, you can directly reach out to this particular address which is given here so that you will have your application procedure going correctly. number of vacancies may vary time to time, and you also make sure that these updates of this particular recruitment, all of the updates and latest information regarding procedures and cancellations or any of the updates will be intimated only in this official website itself. Read all of the details and then proceed to apply. Any other allowances will not be provided to the candidate to attend the written test or the interview. All the positions are transferable all over India. So if you are interested only, then apply. Okay. If you have any doubts, place them in the comment section. Do subscribe, and thank you for watching.